Hi guys, okay, today we're going to be doing a beauty room tour. I don't ever want to come across that way. I just want to show you guys how I set up my space and what it looks like, because I know some people are curious and I always like seeing these videos, so I wanted to show them to you guys. I do plan on redecorating. I know there's some controversy around some people I have displayed. I just hope that maybe you guys want to see this. I know I do. If you guys want to see a detailed makeup collection, let me know down below as well. I'd love to do that for you, but let's just jump right into it. Okay, so when you walk in, this is what you see. Nothing spectacular, but you walk in, this is what it looks like. And then right here on my left on the wall, I have my wigs. I have two on the wall right here, this long dark one, and then this really pretty green teal with a bang. Now these are the way I'd like to store these. However, I don't really have any other place to put them. Hopefully in the new house I will have a designated spot for them, but as of right now I don't. And then you turn, I have a mirror right here, which I'm going to try not to get myself in because I look a mess. And I'm sorry if the lighting's really bad. This room doesn't have an actual light, so yeah. It's got a mirror right here, and then behind the mirror right here, we have some cat and dog treats, because if I don't keep them in this room where the door stays shut, my cats can open cupboards and get in it. I just have a printer right here, and then this is giveaway products to friends and family. This is giveaway products that are makeup bags. These are giveaway products as well, one separated by makeup brushes, hair care, and tools, and that's all makeup skincare. And then on the wall right here, I'll back up so you can see, is my decoration area. I have all the headbands I use for filming. As you can see, one is being washed. Right here, I just keep my Jeffree Star and Morphe brush and sponge collection. And then we have, you know, the pig from the Shane Dawson launch, which I plan on redoing this when I move, but right now this is what it looks like. Another Jeffree x Morphe, the Jawbreaker palette, just a box for it. And then this is the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Nude Volume 2, and this is the Blue Blood box. So again, that's what this looks like. And then if we go back to by the mirror, that goes out to a balcony, so that's why that stays shut. And then you walk in, this is the door, and this is where I sit and film and get ready. So right here we have all of my makeup brushes, and we have sponges and eye brushes, and then we have two empty project pan items, another project pan item, the coffee I was drinking, and then I always have this little basket here, and it's always got products I want to use to film. And then we have my lights and my tripod. And then over here we have just a table that's really dirty. I keep my trash bin under there, and then I have makeup and stuff, and these are tools and makeup. And then this little cup that I got from, I want to say, TJ Maxx, and it just keeps all my lip plumpers in it. And I got this, my mom got this for me, I don't know where from, but I just keep earrings and hair stuff, a hairbrush, dirty makeup brushes and sponges over here. And then my fan and my setting spray. This is my backdrop from Amazon. And then I also have the chair I sit on. I got this at Ross for like 30 bucks. And it opens up. I'm going to show you this, and it's a mess. I keep candles in here and wipes and things. And then on this side, I have, under there is Halloween stuff. I keep all my Halloween stuff right there. And then this table is actually like two tables like put on top of each other, but like actually put together. So it's made to be that way. And then that is just a office organizer thing. I painted white, and I keep eyeshadow palettes in. And then behind there I have a mirror I got from Ulta. It's supposed to light up, however it broke. And then over here I also have a little like spinny thing that I keep all of my lipsticks in, which currently don't have any in, and lip liners in. So that's that. We'll show you a far away look again. And then right behind here is the closet door. I'm not going to open that because that closet is a mess, and we don't have any other storage in this house. So that is our storage. It's got, you know, our vacuum, our carpet cleaner, and my husband's military stuff all in there. And then I keep a trash bag in here because, you know. And then I have these. These were made by a friend of mine, and this one just says war paint, and it's got eyeliner. This one says makeup is art, beauty is spirit. This one says stay beautiful, and this one just says blending is my cardio. If I will leave her Facebook page down below if you guys want to check that out. And then that's my empties bin. Y'all should recognize that. And then this is where I store my makeup. And I have some lights up above. They did go all the way across at one point, but you know, whatever. So that's what this looks like. And I will kind of just take you quickly through it. If you want to see an in-depth video of just my makeup collection, let me know down below. I'd love to do that for you. I have my Google Home. Hopefully she don't light up, but I have my Google Home, and then these two shelves I got from Target. I have this lipstick organizer. I don't remember where I got this from, but this keeps all my Jeffree Star lipsticks. I have another wig and a wig stand. I hope to get more wig stands to hold all my wigs. And then I have this. This top one is all colored contacts. This is colored contact cases, more colored contacts, and like eye drops. This one is my gems and gem tools, and this one is glitters. And then over on this top part, we have more lipsticks. This is just a mismatch brand, so we have some Smashbox, Dose of Colors, Fenty, Huda, Maybelline, Ofra. And then this one is all of my Wet n Wild and more Jeffree Star. And then this is the fun one. This is one of my favorites. So this is all my neon eyeliners and pigments. As you can see, I have one brand in particular I like. And then we have this one, which is single shadows, eyeshadow primers, and cream shadows, which it's a mess. And then this one is all unopened eyeliners. And this is all my open eyeliners, colored and black. So yeah, that's that. And then we'll move over here and start with the makeup. This is primers. And then we have foundations down here. And then powders of all sorts. And then up here is eyebrows and concealer. And then blush. And then highlight. And then bronzer. And then mascara. And then face palettes. And then eyelashes. And then over here, this whole thing is just lips. So this is lip scrubs, lip balms. This one is lipsticks, liquid lipsticks, lip glosses. And then this one is setting sprays, eyeshadow palettes that I only have one from the brand. Eyeshadow palettes I have multiple of. Again, eyeshadow palettes that I have multiple of. All Jeffree Star, Morphe, and Makeup Revolution. And then over here we have all my face masks. I have sheet masks and regular masks. And then these are cleansers, scrubs, wipes, and micellar waters. And then this one is moisturizers, serums, oils, toners, and eye creams. So yeah, you guys, that is the makeup portion of this. I'll do far away so you can see it one more time. And yeah, this is the room. Not anything spectacular, like I said. It's just kind of, you know, for what I could do, this is good enough. I can't really paint or anything in the apartment. So yeah, this is what we're looking like. Guys, so that is the beauty room tour. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know, you know, if you're interested about anything. Let me know. I love to hear your thoughts and opinions. But that is all. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to subscribe down below. I post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday. And you guys can follow me on all my social media down below as well. I'm on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, and TikTok. That is all. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye.